Hey guys, it's me Denny Bahana here. I hope you all doing well. So I've decided to take on a new challenge today. I'm going to practice my alternate picking, but with a twist. I'm doing it outside. I thought it would be a great way to enjoy a fresh air and change up my usual routine. Actually, I was thinking to how do I change the nuance. I mean, it's kind of boring to always practice in my room. Plus, it's always good to test your skill in different environment, right? So let's see how it goes. Wish me luck. By the way, I will play it unplugged, and so what you will hear is direct from the my camera. All right, this is so random actually. Uh, my God. Oh my God, there's bad light. All right, I'm so sorry, yes, so messed up. I think we can do here, maybe like this. Gonna turn the ISO a little bit, probably like this. So usually I will start with you can't see this, but 120 BPM. That's a good start for me to practice my fingering. I usually do it chromatic, guys. Right? So actually, I'm so dumb, guys. This is my first time making this kind of video actually, and like it just no without any prepare. So I actually record the sound from my smartphone as well because I don't think my guitar, the camera will cut my guitar here. So I need to record from my phone so you could hear better. I hope. So I can't use the metronome in my smartphone here. Maybe on the next video I will try to figure it out how to uh, make it, you know, proper video. And sorry for that, guys. This is actually the most random video I've ever made. I don't know, dude. So, which one do you like? Alternate picking or economy picking? This one is alternate picking. We played in a minor harmonic. And this is economy picking. Oh my god, wait. It's the economy picking, it sounds like, like kinda more R in it. And the alternate picking sounds like more. I don't know how to say it in English. The reason why I start learning alternate picking is because of Paul Gilbert. I remember the licks like this. Yeah, like that. It's so hot, bro. This is so hot. By the way, do you guys like chili, guys? Like spicy food? Alright. I think this is the secret why I I can learn also if you can pass. Oh, look at that. Wait. The focus. Where the focus? There you go. Hey. So sometimes when I bored practicing guitar, I like to, you know, take a good care of these chilies. I don't know how you say that properly. Yeah. I'm sorry for my English, guys. Yeah, you can see that. Alright guys, I think that's all for this video today. See you guys on the next video. Bye.